So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand policy manager. We're going to scroll down till we find policy manager. Here it is, you want to expand policy manager. And now you want to expand default. Now we're going to expand settings. We're going to scroll down till we find settings. You want to expand settings. And now you want to click on allow sign-in options. Click on this folder. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you want to find value. Double click on it. Now if you want to allow sign-in options, make the value 1. If you want to disable it, then you want to make it 0. So again, if you want to enable it, make it 1. Disable is for 0. For me, I'm going to enable it. So I'm going to type in 1 and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.